Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove folders from OneDrive but keep them on your PC. This is useful when you want to free up cloud storage space while still maintaining access to your files locally. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Windows desktop and open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking on the folder icon in your taskbar or simply by pressing Windows key plus E on your keyboard. This will bring up your File Explorer window where you can access all your files and folders. Once your File Explorer window has opened, direct your attention to the left-hand menu where your folders and quick access toolbar are located. This is where you'll find all your main directories, including OneDrive. From this panel, click on the OneDrive folder to access all your synced files and folders. This opens up everything that's currently stored in your OneDrive cloud storage. Now here's the important part. To keep your OneDrive folders on your PC and remove them from the cloud, you need to create a local copy first. Find the folder you wish to keep on your computer, then right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options. Look through this menu carefully and click on the option that says Always Keep on this device. This action saves a complete local copy of the folder directly onto your computer's hard drive, ensuring you won't lose any of your files when you delete them from the cloud. This step is crucial because it guarantees that all your data remains accessible on your PC even after it's removed from OneDrive. With your local copy now safely stored on your computer, the final step is to remove the folder from your OneDrive cloud storage. To do this, you'll need to access your OneDrive web app. Open your browser and go to onedrive.live.com, then log into your Microsoft account. Once you're in your OneDrive web interface, navigate to the folder you just saved locally. Right-click on it and select the Delete option. This removes the folder from your cloud storage, freeing up space in your OneDrive account while the local copy remains safely on your PC. And that's it, you've successfully removed folders from OneDrive while keeping them on your computer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.